Hey YouTube, this is E-Dub, and I'm going to be shooting my new CO2 pistol. That Hobbytron sucked. I thought it would, but this is a really good CO2 pistol. I bought it from CC's, Military and Surplus in Central City. There's also one in Iowa City. So here we go. I had it on safety. Now here we go. This thing has like 375 FPS, and I'm shooting at the top blue square on my playset. So far I've hit it every single time, but yeah. And this gun's really accurate. I've only missed it, once with .15 gram BBs. These things curve a lot, just like the .2 and the .12 grams do too. And it holds a 15 round capacity magazine, and it just ran out.